Hey everyone, my name is Anu and I'm showing you how to install your natural kinky ponytail by To All My Black Girls. So I'm just detangling my hair and I've given it a quick blow dry just so that it slicks better in place. And I am adding the Eco Styler gel. You don't have to use that, you can use any gel that you prefer as long as it helps your hair stay in place. I actually prefer the gummy wax, which is what I'm using right now. It helps your hair stay in place for days. And it's just the best product really to use for natural hair in order to keep your hair slicked. So I'm now tying my hair up into a bun. It's very important that you allow your hair to be as flat as possible so your ponytail does not become bulky. If your hair is long, of course, put some braids or twists and make it as flat as possible and put it up in a bun. Now sleeking my edges, which is of course not compulsory, but if you want to go that extra mile, feel free. Now I'm adding my scarf, which is very, very important just to keep your hair flat, and it is good to keep it on to make sure it's completely dry. You can use a blow dry like I did, or you can allow it to naturally air dry. So now let's get on with the tutorial. So now I'm working with the Kinky straight drawstring ponytail. This is a very long one. It's actually a 32-inch one. It's very, very pretty. And I am gripping in both of the sections in between my bun, and as always you pull the string and the little ball closer to your head and then you twist it all the way around so it cannot be seen. And then I'm just getting a little piece of the hair just to cover up the string, and I'm going all the way around, and this should give your hair the maximum security and the natural slay. So now I'm just putting my fingers through it, and it is very, very easy to work with. So now I am just going to give this hair a little bit of curls. It's just an alternative style. It does obviously look beautiful on its own, but I just wanted something a little bit different. And I am loving these curls. Look at these bouncy curls. You can also use a perm rolled to make these curls if you don't want to use any heat on the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this.